In front of me is Sony Xperia 5.4 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features on this Sony. Begin by opening Settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on System. After that, select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Finally, hit Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are available over here. In order to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!